low boost, sticking turbo vanes, and actuator codes from your Cummins ISB are symptoms that your turbo actuator may need a replacement. Avoid any further impacts to your truck and bottom line. Get your ISB running with an actuator from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide education, online resources, technical knowledge, and service, getting you back on the road with this turbocharger actuator for the Cummins ISB. Don't let a small component turn into a major repair. These actuators are manufactured in a state-of-the-art facility with top-of-the-line machining and measuring equipment, ensuring each part is built to OEM specifications. Built with hard-wearing materials for long-lasting strength and durability. This actuator can withstand the extreme conditions your ISB operates in. What do you get in return? Increased power, efficiency, and quality. You don't have to sacrifice quality with Highway and Heavy Parts. Meeting the tight tolerances from the OEM at equal or better quality, fitting perfectly on your ISB, will keep you running for another million miles. Backed by a 1-year parts warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified parts technicians. From purchase to installation, Highway and Heavy Parts has you covered. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. From America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.